Hey everyone, welcome to a new lecture in the website design using artificial intelligence course. And now that we have generated a website, we are going to learn today how to customize the landing page. What is a landing page? When your website appears in search results on Google and people click on your website, the first page they encounter when they are taken to your website is your landing page. And you have to make certain that this landing page is awesome. Now, as you can see over here, we are at the landing page for the website, and over here you have the logo, you have home option over here, you have about us, you have contact us, gallery, store, etc. And what you have is you have a picture of a kid displaying his shoes, and then you have some taglines and basically some marketing information. For instance, over here the tagline is every step is a new adventure, and then you have the description step. So what is the website all about? And then you have some featured items which people can take a look at and get an idea about what sort of shoes you're selling or what sort of products you're selling. And then you have some stuff about the benefits of getting shoes from this particular website, or buying shoes of this particular brand, or buying a product of some brand or something of that sort. And then you have a section where the clients for this particular service are displayed. Now, I'll show you first how to edit the logo. Now, click on the logo, take your cursor there, and click on the logo settings. And over here, you can include an image. That is what I'm going to do. And you can generate this image using artificial intelligence. I clicked on artificial intelligence right now. And you get a few options over here. And then you can click on select and generate using AI. And the style you have to select from this particular panel right over here, this particular selection of styles. Let's click on 3D. And let's click on generate using artificial intelligence. And this will take a bit of time. So let's see how much time it takes. And the logo is quite important because your brand will become identified with the logo. For instance, think about McDonald's. People see the M and they know instantly it's McDonald's or Coca-Cola. People see the Coca-Cola logo and know instantly that is Coca-Cola. So let's select a logo. Let's select the third one over here with a nice rainbow pattern on the shoes. Click on select. And remember, artificial intelligence is doing all of it. And as you can see, the logo is being displayed right over here. Then you can click on images and you can use free images. You can use free images that are provided by the service. I'd suggest not to use these images. Then you can click on my images and you can upload from your phone or from your computer, upload new media, and then this will add the image of the logo to the logo section of the website. So I'll let you figure out how to design the logo. I have a course on logo design and you can check that out. And now what we are going to do is we are going to edit the text. So the website tagline says, every step is a new adventure. Let's change this. Let's write shoes that will put a smile on your kid's face. And I just came up with this tagline. I'll not comment on how good it is, but as you can see, I changed the tagline and the changes are being saved automatically. And now I'm going to describe the service. Let's change this. Let's describe the service somewhat like this: bespoke shoes for every occasion and every kid. So this website sells bespoke shoes, as in they sell highly customizable shoes or shoes that have patented designs, etc. And so that is what we're trying to tell about the product through the website, right? What the product is all about. So I changed the product description to bespoke shoes for every occasion and every kid. And you can add something about the company too over here if you want to. And then you can go down. As you can see, you have the features section with all the buttons over here, view more, then the prices, all of that. And obviously, every step is a new adventure. This image is displayed again. Now I can change the image, the background image. And what we can do with the background image is we can use artificial intelligence to redesign the image. So we'll generate a new image with artificial intelligence. And as before, you can actually upload your own image and replace the image provided by artificial intelligence with your own image. For instance, you can click on my image over here and you can upload from your phone or from new media. You can try this out by yourself if you want to customize your website completely. And as you can see, this has changed. Artificial intelligence has rearranged the entire display over here. And now let's choose a free image and show you how you can change the image with the image that is provided for free by the service. Let's select the Shutterstock image. As you can see, you have to pay for it. You have to enroll in the subscription plan. So we'll leave it at that. But now you know how to change the images and all of that. And these images you can change to, or you can provide a link. If you're clicking on the link option, you can provide a link to the images, maybe a link to Facebook or Instagram where you have a storefront, and images will be exported from there, or you can click on the image option and upload your image from your computer. And now as you can see, you have this company's clients, and let's edit this section just to show how you can edit this section. And what you can do is you can, instead of writing it yourself, you can use the artificial intelligence writer too. So our clients, you have to give the artificial intelligence a prompt. You can rephrase text over here if you're using a prompt. So our clients include X, Y, Z, or you can generate new text with AI. And you can do that for the company tagline, for the information, for the other textual information on the landing page. Our clients include big firms like X. And let's generate with AI. And AI is writing the website material. As you can see, it has at Kids Shoes. Our mission is to provide the best quality kids shoes at affordable prices. We strive to make our customers feel valued and believe that every child deserves to be special with a perfect pair of shoes. Let's select this, and we are replacing the text that was provided before with this text. So you can edit it yourself, or you can use artificial intelligence to generate a new text. Now, as you can see, there's this panel over here. Now, what you can do using this panel is you can add a new widget. You can design a new widget. You can check out the properties, and you can change variations. So let's click on change variations. So it'll change the widget accordingly. So select one of these images and the widget will change accordingly. And the widget has changed. And you can then select widget design. And what you can do is you can change the background over here. Let's make it blue, very, very dark blue. You can change the top spacing. As you can see, the top spacing is changing behind this particular pop-up window, and you can change the bottom spacing. I don't like what it's doing, so I'm going to revert back to what we had. As you can see, this particular widget over here. So by changing the top spacing, I am including some space between the top of the widget and the picture. So I'm going to reduce the top spacing to 0, and then you can add a new widget, and the new widget can be contact forms, testimonials, partners, teams, blog, booking, social, careers, resources, menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button, a widget about social media, where you can follow this particular kids shoes brand on social media. Let's select one of the designs, and I'm going to select the design with the biggest pictures. As you can see, the pictures are rather big right now, and because I selected the design with the tallest, the longest, or rather the broadest pictures. And what you can do over here, now that you have a new widget, you can replace whatever you have over here. So you can provide a TikTok video link, then click on more features in properties, and then you can select what you have on slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. So if you're connecting your social media to your website, you can post your TikTok link or TikTok post link or your TikTok profile link. Then over here, what you can do is you can again post your TikTok link or your Facebook link or Facebook page link or your Twitter page link. Let's not change this for the time being. As you can see, you can add videos, you can add pictures from Facebook, from Twitter, all of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and I'm going to trash this because I don't want this on my landing page. So right now we have redesigned our landing page and we have a landing page that looks kind of nice. We have a logo, we have generated a logo using artificial intelligence, and now let's go to the About Us page. And as you can see over here, the About Us page has some information about the company. And you have the text over here. And you can use AI writer to generate this text too. You can change the color of the text, make it light blue, or let's keep it black. And you can use the AI writer, or you can write your own text. It's up to you. And when you have clicked on your text, let's change the background to light blue. When you have clicked on your text, what you can do is you can double click on it, double click on the entire text, and you'll get access to this panel which contains all the formatting options. You can make it bold, you can underline it, you can change the alignment to right aligned, center aligned, etc. You can change the font size, all of it. Now let's regenerate this text using the AI writer just to show you how the AI writer regenerates text. And the prompt is we are a bespoke brand. That's the prompt, a simple prompt. And we are going to generate some text with AI. And it has given me 2 about me sort of descriptions. So the second description goes like this: we take pride in our commitment to our customers, providing the highest standard of quality and comfort. So we'll select this and we'll replace it. And as you can see, this has changed. Now you can double click this and tap the text in the box. And you can click on the capital T and small t option over here to get access to formatting. As you can see, double click the box or double click inside the box, select the text, click on the capital T, small t option for formatting, and then change formatting. And you can change the image over here. You can use your own image, or you can provide a link to some social media site which contains the image. You can provide a link to an image being displayed on a social media site like Instagrams. And over here, you have some description text about the team. You can change the pictures over here for the team. So you can do all of that. Now let's go to the Contact Us section. And as you can see, you have a form right over here. And this form will basically take you to, this form can be used to contact the company. So that is what this form is all about. And you have the gallery, which contains images of the products. And you have a section where your story is being displayed. Now you can add a video over here. You can add a link to an Instagram reel or link to a YouTube video. Or you can just add a video by clicking on the video option. and you can upload this video from your computer. It's best practice to actually use your own videos, so or use someone talking about your service, such as a testimonial, someone saying how their kids enjoyed the shoes, or you can have 2-3 people saying how their kids enjoyed the shoes. So you can have that over here, and you have description text. You can change that, and you have some images over here, and over here you can add images of your shoes, and you have the store option over here. And in the store, you have all these pictures for shoes. You can change them by clicking on the picture symbol. You can change all these pictures, and you can change the name of the products if you want to. Just double click on it. So I'll show you how to. Double click or select the name of the start product and click on delete. Or you can click on edit right up top. So select the name of the product and click on edit. And it'll ask you to edit the labels for the product. So you can edit all the information. You can edit the product description right over here. You can make it something like nice shoe, a shoe called nice shoe. I can't think of anything else. And you can then change the product type. Instead of book over here, you can have shoes. And over here, category can be red shoes. Deselect audiobook. You can add size, you can add color, image, etc. You can add text, all of that. So that is how you customize everything. So what you need to do is select the entire widget or the box that contains all this information. For this particular product is a book, but you'll be selling shoes. So you can select the ratings, click on the ratings, and people can change ratings. You can change the ratings of the shoes. It's best practice to actually not doctor the ratings so that people have a good idea about how good the shoes are. If you do that, if you doctor the ratings, then obviously there will be a trust deficit and your customers will no longer trust you. So as you can see, you can change all of this. Just point and click, right? Point to the section you want to change, click on it, click on what you want to change, take your cursor there, click on it, and then change it. As simple as that. It's just point and click. And now you can go back to the store, click on your store over here. And like I said, you have a bunch of products over here. And you have the status of these products. And you can change all of this by yourself. This will take you some time, but you're building a website only once, right? And as you can see, you can duplicate and remove by clicking on the 3 on the horizontal 3 periods over here, 3 dots of. And you can add a new product by clicking on the new product option over here. And you can add a new image. You can add a new label. Let's call this blue. Click on the box and write blue. And you can click on the T option over here and format it. Let's make it bold. And we can replace this image with one of our images. You can change the product name over here. Just take your mouse to the product name. It will highlight the entire product name. And click on the product name. Click beside the product name, default product name. And you can change this. Use backspace or delete or whatever and make it blue. And you can change the pricing over here. You can change the currency too if you want to. You can change the ratings. You can add a new block right over here. And this block will have different types of information such as how you can pay, how you can check out, then how much time it will take to get delivered. Then you may have an option for color variants. Let's have an option for color variants materials, or let's say size, etc. So we'll have this option and we'll have the estimated delivery option. So first, let's use the color variant, size variation, material variation option over here and include this particular block in the product page. And as you can see, you have XL, XS, XM. You can add images for each color. You can add text for each color by clicking on the text button over here. And you can edit this too. Just take it to the box, take your cursor to the box, click on it, and simply edit. Make the size large. So that's how you more or less design the whole website. Show you how you can add a new product or add a new section and how you can edit the site panel right over here. So first, as you can see, there's an option for store settings. Click on this. And over here, you have the option to sort by last name. You have the option to provide a rating or not provide a rating. I'm going to provide a rating. You have an option to show product variation. I'm going to show product variation. And you can give a name to the collection and call it new shoes. That is what you can do using this particular button in the side panel. And then you can upload images. And you have seen this window before, so I'll not dwell on it for a long time. Then you can go to the store. And over here, as you can see, you can add a collection. Click on add a collection. And you can add a collection, new collection, name it something, new collection. And you're going to add this collection. I'm not going to add this. And then you can add a new product. Let's add a new product. And it's taken us to the same window which I showed you in the previous lecture. So the product name is gray. And we're going to add a new block or whatever you want to do. I've shown you this before, so I'll not dwell much on this. I'll go back to the store and you can see what your products are. So you have a bunch of products and over here, as you can see, you have a bunch of products, t-shirts, clothes, etc. But this is a shoe company. So you'll have to replace all the AI generated product images with shoe images and you'll have to edit everything so that it reflects the product that you're selling. So you can add a new product and you can add a new collection. And you can name the new collection something. Or search for a collection. As you can see, you have the search bar over here. So search for new shoes. And as you can see, new shoes is being displayed. And if you click on the gear symbol over here, you can edit the collection too. And this will take you to the collection page and you can edit this. And then click on all pages. So using this option, you can add a new page. And you have the option for About Us, Contact Us, Gallery. These are the pages that are being displayed on the landing page, or the links to these pages, the buttons that you click on to access these pages are being displayed on the landing screen. You can add a new page, click on add a new page. And what we want is the FAQ section. And this will add an FAQ page. And as you can see, there's an FAQ page right now over here. And AI has generated some questions and you can change the answers to these questions by clicking on the answers once and editing them. We carry a variety of shoes for kids and only kids, no adult shoes sold here. So I edited the text in the FAQ section and as you can see, you can use AI write it too. And AI has generated a lot of different questions and you have the answers also generated by AI. You can click on the answers and they'll turn the background will turn black and transparent, or the background will turn transparent and you can change this or add something new. So that is how you do it. Click on this and edit. And you have payment questions, location questions. So you can add a new page like this. And then let's go back to add pages again. Let's add another page and let's add a testimonial page. And let's click on Save Changes. And the testimonial page has some AI generated images of people who are supposedly your clients. So you can change these images. You can show their ratings. You can change the ratings too. Just click on the ratings once. Click on the symbol over here and change the ratings. You can change the image. You can change the name of the happy customer who's providing a testimonial by clicking on the name. You can edit this. You can change a lot of different things and you can change the testimonial. So that is how you create a testimonials page. We have a testimonials page and all of that. And as you can see over here, you have different pages over here. And once you go to all pages, you have testimonials page and the FAQ page being displayed in the list of pages. And the home page, as you can see over here, you have all these options and you can delete one of these options if you want to. Let's delete the About Us option. Click on make your cursor hover over this and a pop-up panel with the delete option will become visible. Click on the delete button and you can delete this. Let's delete this. Sure. There's no About Us section over here anymore. So, and next I'll show you how you can add a new section and you can add a new widget to a page using this add a new section box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an element, banners. I'm going to add a banner. I'll click on banner and I'll add this banner to the home page. And I'll click a template. You can choose a template according to your own needs and desires. But I'll add a banner and I'll change the text over here, or I can use AI writer. I'll not do any of that because I've already shown you how to do all of this. So that is how I added a banner. Now on this page, I'll add a subscribe page, subscribe button, which can be used by happy customers to subscribe to our mailing list so that we can send them marketing information. And I'll choose the most basic subscribe button, the first one. And this has been added to the home page and people will type their email addresses over here and they will subscribe, etc. So that is what you can do with the section add section option in the side panel. You can add a variety of different things and you can also add the FAQ section to the home page. So let's add the FAQ section to the home page. As you can see, a frequently asked questions on the home page. And if you want to add FAQ section or if you want to add the subscribe to our service section to the contact us page, what you do is you do the same thing you did with the home page. You go to section, you go down to subscription forms, subscribe forms, select another widget, and the subscription form has appeared right down below as a new widget, and you can change the image, you can change all of that. So that is how you design the user interface of a website using artificial intelligence. And what we are going to do right now is we are going to view the website. So click on view. What I did was I clicked on view website and it's taken me to this website and it's been designed completely by AI. So you don't need to spend hours on Canva or some other platform that helps you design websites and blogs. You can do this right over here. And this tool is especially good for starting a blog that looks good. So this is how a website looks. How you can design websites using artificial intelligence. And now that we are done with the user interface part of the website, we have designed the website, we have beautified it. I'll show you how you can make the buttons on the website actionable. So you have many buttons over here such as learn more, shop now, and down below you have view more. All of these buttons, right? Your featured items and the buttons are view more. And you need to make these buttons action. When people click on this button in the final website, then they should be taken somewhere to some other part of the website. Or let's say if people enter their email address in the subscribe bar, then when they click on subscribe, their email address should be automatically added to your mailing list. So that is what we'll learn. Now, first thing that I'm going to show you in this lecture is how you can move widgets up and down. I forgot to show this in the previous lecture. So go to this panel over here for widgets, select a widget first. And then go to this panel over here and you can use the arrow buttons, up arrow and down arrow, to move widgets up and down. Now as you can see, the widget has been moved down and this widget has been moved up. Every step is a new adventure has been moved up and shows that to put a smile on your kid's face. This particular widget has been moved down. Let's change this. Let's move the first one down. Move it down. As you can see, it has been moved up. Now that out of the way, let's talk about how you can make your buttons actionable. Let's click on the widget right over here. And then let's click on properties. Now, as you can see, you have the title text for the widget, you have the description for the widget, and then you have the buttons. You have button labels over here. The first button is Learn More, and the second button is Shop Now. Let me go back and show you the buttons. First button is Learn More, second button is Shop Now. Now, we are going to assign an action to the Learn Now button, Learn More button. That is what we'll do. So you have the Learn More button and it links to what? It can link to an email, phone, file, or it can link to some external source. But what we'll do is we'll assign a page on the website to the Learn More button. So when people click on the Learn More button, they're taken to another page on the website. And they're going to take it to one of the general pages, and the page it will take people to is the About Us or home page, right? So this is on the home page, and the page it will take people to is the About Us page. So let me change this and take people to the gallery page. When people click on the Learn More button, it will take people to the gallery page. Let's test this. Let's see if this is working. So I'll click on Visit Website. And then as you can see, the website is being displayed on your screens. And click on Learn More. And as you can see right now, Learn More is an actionable button. Click on Learn More. And by clicking the button, we have been taken to the gallery. The gallery with all the pictures of shoes, of kids wearing shoes, and the video which you're going to upload if you ever create an e-commerce website. So that is how we assigned a function to the Learn More button. So when people click on the Learn More button, they are taken to a page. Now, let's make some more changes. Let's edit the action for the View More button over here. These are the featured items. So when people click on the View More button, they should be taken somewhere. So click on Properties again, Widget Properties. And as you can see, you have 6 featured items. So let's assign some function to the View More button for the first featured item. And it's going to link to a page again, and the page type will be Product Pages. And then we have to choose a product page it will take you to when you click on the button. So let's say we are going to choose Yoga Mat. Now, this is a website for shoes, but artificial intelligence generated a product page for a yoga mat. Artificial intelligence, despite all its potency, is prone to such errors. And that is where you come in, the human. You have to edit this and ensure that there are no mistakes on your website. So now, when you click on the View More button for the first featured item, then it will take you to the product page for yoga mat. And let's click on Save. Now let's again visit the website. And let's go down to the Featured Products page and click on the View More button for the featured item 1. And as you can see, it has taken us to the Yoga Mat page. Like this, you can assign functions to each button in each widget. So when your consumers or customers click on those buttons, they're taken to some other part of the website, or they're taken to a file that is stored in some database. So if you're creating a blog, basically, then you can add a new page with a new article, and you can then assign a new button to that particular page. So if people want to go to that page, they have to click on the button. And you do it by editing the properties and adding some function to the button like I showed in the lecture. So that is how you can add functions to the button. Or learn more, we are taking people to the featured items pages. And for view more, we are taking people to a product page. That is how we assign functions to buttons. And let's say we want to assign a function to the subscribe button. Click on the widget, go to properties, and now we have the widget properties being displayed on your screen. And what we can do is we can go to the select mailing list to save to option over here. So the button label is subscribe, and you can select which mailing list your subscribers will be added to. So click on all contacts, and you don't have a mailing list yet. So let's search for new mailing list, or let's search for anything. And since you don't have a mailing list, this program hocoos will ask you to create a new mailing list. And then it will take you to a form. You can name the mailing list something, subscribers, and you can import contacts, add them manually. You can add contacts manually over here, or you can import contacts, or you can import emails. And click on import emails, and this will ask you to import your mailing list to which new subscribers will be added. So that is essentially how you assign a function or assign some sort of functionality to the subscribe button. And one final thing before I end this lecture, we'll go to the store over here, and we'll go to the product categories, right? As you can see, some products are saying that they have been published, others are in draft state. So if you want a product to appear in your final website, click on drafts over here and click on published. So click on the downward facing arrow over here and click on published, and this product will get published. Let's say we want to publish the t-shirt. So again, click on this pink button. You'll have a menu appear on your screen and click on published. And these products are published, as you can see right over here. These products are published products. So they will appear on your storefront when you check the website. So let's check the website. Again, learn more has been assigned a function. And let's click on subscribe. And you type in some email @gmail.com. And when you click on subscribe, you get the message, thank you for your subscription, you have been subscribed. Now recall, I have not added any mailing list yet, but since we have made the button functionable, we have added some action to the button. It's showing you the thank you message that you get when you click on a subscribe button on a website. So that is how you assign functions to different buttons in the website. That is how you tell buttons to navigate to other parts of the website. And when you're doing your final project, this will come in very handy. So thank you so much. I'll catch you in some other lecture.